be reversing, and it's worsting. Someone flopped a steamer in the gene pool. Now angry mob mentality is no longer the exception, it's the rule. And I'm starting to feel a lot like Charles has been stranded on a private planet. Apes and orangutans and ran into the ground, with generals and the armies that obeyed them. Followers following fables, philosophies that enable them to rule without regard. There's no point for democracy when ignorance is celebrated. Political scientists get the same one vote as some monkeys are inbred. Majority rule don't work in mental institutions. Sometimes the smallest softest voice carries the grand. Big dissolution. What are we left with? A nation of God-fearing pregnant nationalists who feel it's their duty to populate the homeland. Pass on traditions, how to get ahead religions, and prosperity via simple culture. The idiots are taking over. 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 The idiots are taking over.
Yep. Mm.